Jonah's channel. Today we're going to be playing with a big purple ball.
Yep.
I know it sounds pretty sussy, but we're still going to be playing with it. I'll call it the big purple sussy ball. Okay, come on.
I'm going to call it the big purple ball.
Okay. Riley, ready? Let's play? Okay. We got to catch it, Jonah.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
But who's going to hold it?
Go, 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 go!
Oh, I know. There you go.
Alright.
I'm sorry, my viewers.
Is it still like...
It's still on. It's still on.
Oh.
I'm sorry, guys. My brother was just.
Let's go. Okay. Riley, catch it. Catch it.